Some of you may have seen in the promo video that we tried to have a little cruise the other day, and then the unexpected happened. But it's BMW, so it's kind of expected. I was always touting my really cool 2005 Dodge Durango filler neck thing, but that was the failure that we had the other day. Because the water neck itself is plastic, which is not ideal, something happens with these caps that you buy, and it won't actually stay on there. So we were driving, and we pulled into a Chevron, and it was just spraying coolant out of the cap because the cap itself had failed, and the water neck itself has deformed. So, that's, you know, I've always been saying it's good. Now it's not good, so don't buy that. But we got a nice new package from Chase Bays in that they recently, I don't know how recently, but recently I found it. They have this new extended water neck. So it's the same exact concept, but it's made out of an actual material instead of plastic. And so this is actually going to be awesome. They sell these ends are changeable. You can do AN fittings, you can do small. I got the 1.5 inch. That's what BMWs are, roughly, I hope. Got the standard overflow port, but there are ports for sensors in here. And actually, that's going to work out good because there is this top hose that I would just block off. It's never really been a big deal. But this will make it extremely easy to bleed now, because when this is up here, all the air will push out of there, back into the neck. It's going to be awesome. So today we'll do this install, and hopefully this works a lot better than 2005 Dodge Durango, because as we all know, the root of all problems is Chrysler. So, all right, let's do it. Look, it's you. Okay, so we are all installed, and you might have noticed I didn't do the barb thing I just talked about, but that's because I didn't buy one and I totally forgot till after I started the video. So for the purposes of finishing the video today, we're just going to plug it off like normal, and I will put a barb in that on the next time that the store is open. But yeah, it's like 2 inches out of the top main hose and fits perfect. Height is not a concern because it's still lower than the intake manifold and the valve cover. So again, very similar setup, but just higher quality. So anywho, yeah, that should be it. And hopefully we get some driving footage here soon without steam pouring out of my hood. So see you next time. It bleeds fine because I pulled my cap off, some fluid came out. bled that high anyways. It'll bleed a lot better if I hook a hose up directly to it. So it's just as good as it was before, bleeding wise. It'll be even better. Well, it's better enough to get the next column. So I at least got coolant that much higher. Because before then it was like, you could never really get it full because the deck was so low. So this will be good.